A producer is creating a video with a length of 70 minutes. The video will consist of segments that are 1 minute long and segments that are 3 minutes long. Which equation represents this situation, where x represents the number of 1 minute segments and y represents the number of 3 minute segments? So we have x and y, where x is the number of 1 minute segments and y is the number of 3 minute segments. And we're told that x is the number of 1 minute segments and y is the number of 3 minute segments. So in order to find out the total duration of all of the 3 minute segments, what we can do is multiply y with 3, because each segment that is in y, since y is the number of 3 minute segments, is 3 minutes long. So if we multiply the number of all of those 3 minute segments with 3, we get the total duration of the number of 3 minute segments. And we can do the same for x, because x is the number of 1 minute segments, so each segment is 1 minute long. So if we multiply that with 1, that gives us the total duration of all of the 1 minute segments. But since it's just a coefficient of 1, we can just put nothing there, because nothing there assumes that the coefficient of the variable is 1. Okay, and we're also told that the total length of the video, so all of the 1 minute and the 3 minute segments added together, is equal to 70. So if we add the duration of all of the 1 minute segments with the duration of all the 3 minute segments, which is x plus 3y, we should get the total duration, which is 70 minutes. And if we look at the answer choices, that equation is answer choice D.